Spiritualcenter presents 11 little things that make you more likable. Being likable is a crucial quality that enhances your appeal and makes you more enjoyable to be around. It also increases your chances of building meaningful relationships, earning higher income, and, for entrepreneurs, developing a stronger business. While there are numerous tips and tricks on improving social skills and likability, it's often the small things that make the biggest difference. The best part is that these strategies won't compromise your authenticity. Instead, they'll help you get along with others and make a positive impression. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Extend a warm greeting. People gravitate towards those who radiate positivity and make them feel welcome. By appearing approachable, you become more appealing to others. Simple gestures like a warm smile and a friendly greeting can have a significant impact. Even if you don't know the person, a polite introduction will put them at ease and encourage conversation. Number 2. Show genuine interest. Everyone appreciates feeling valued. When you make a genuine effort to show interest in what others have to say, you demonstrate care and concern. Whether you ask about their day, family, or passions, taking the time to listen allows people to open up and share more about themselves. This boosts their confidence, creates a positive impression, and fosters a stronger liking towards you. Number 3. Speak positively about others. The way you talk about others can influence how people perceive you. When you speak positively about someone, those traits become associated with your own personality. For example, if you describe someone as genuine and kind, people will also perceive you as genuine and kind. This helps in building relationships, cultivating a positive reputation, and making others feel comfortable around you. Conversely, it's best to avoid gossip and speaking negatively about others. Number 4. Find and emphasize shared values and interests. Whether you're connecting with colleagues or making friends, finding common ground is key to building rapport. Shared passions for travel, similar hobbies, or a mutual love for cats can create a stronger connection. Having common interests, ideas, or experiences provides conversational topics and makes interactions easier and more enjoyable. Number 5. Utilize appropriate physical contact. Physical touch can be a powerful tool in social situations. A light touch on the arm or a gentle pat on the back can instantly put someone at ease. However, it's crucial to be mindful of the timing and appropriateness of physical contact. Excessive touch can be overwhelming, so use gentle and appropriate gestures to make people feel more comfortable around you. Number 6. Find something to share a laugh about. Laughter acts as a bonding agent, bringing people closer and making you more likable, even with those you don't know well. During conversations, seek opportunities to share a laugh together. You can achieve this through jokes, humorous stories, or simply by making eye contact and smiling when something funny happens. Laughing together signifies a connection, fostering a sense of closeness and relaxation. Number 7. Practice kindness and offer assistance. People appreciate acts of kindness, no matter how small, such as giving directions or picking up dropped items. Demonstrating a willingness to lend a hand showcases your considerate nature and willingness to go the extra mile for others. Additionally, when you help someone, they often reciprocate, leading to mutual benefits. It's a win-win situation that invites people into your life and enhances their favorable perception of you. Number 8. Express gratitude and appreciation. Expressing gratitude has a profound impact on how others perceive and feel about you. Taking the time to show appreciation, no matter how small the gesture, garners admiration and respect. Acknowledging acts of kindness makes people feel good about themselves and leaves a lasting positive impression. Number 9. Maintain respectful disagreements. Respecting others when you disagree is vital for building relationships and earning likability. It demonstrates openness to different perspectives and a willingness to understand others' points of view. Approaching disagreements with respect sets a positive tone for the conversation, increasing the likelihood of a civil and mutually beneficial resolution. Number 10. Embrace humility and admit mistakes. In a world where everyone strives to be right, admitting when you're wrong enhances your likability. Demonstrating humility shows that truth is more important to you than being right. This conveys sincerity and honesty, earning the trust and respect of those around you. Number 11. Recognize when it's time to conclude. Knowing when to wrap up an interaction can make you more likable. It's perfectly acceptable to be the one to acknowledge that it's time to move on. You don't need to forcefully prolong a conversation to avoid seeming rude or disinterested. Balancing self-awareness and respect for the other person's time demonstrates consideration. You want to avoid making people feel dismissed while also respecting their attention and schedule. Being likable may not come naturally to everyone, but it's a quality that can be developed. By incorporating these small practices into your daily interactions, you can become more approachable and enjoyable to be around. With effort and patience, you'll be surprised at the positive responses you receive. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can continue creating content. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and be sure to check out our other content as well. Thank you for watching.